Okay, student, now we have to do the exercise 1.2 in which we have to solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So, how we can utilize quadratic formula to solve the equation? For this, I'm show you how to do it. So we select the question number one. The question number one, part one, 2 minus x square equals to 7x. So I write the question 2 minus x square equals to 7x here. So first step will be, again the first step will remain the same. We have to write the quadratic equation in a standard form first. So we write it like minus x square. Then we move this 7x to this side. This 7x to this side, it will become minus 7x. And then plus 2 equals to 0. Now remember, we always say that coefficient of x square should be positive. It's better that it should be positive. So we multiply the whole equation by minus 1. Multiply the whole equation by minus 1. So we get x square plus 7x and minus 2 equals to 0 into minus 1 is 0, so we write 0. Now, when we get the standard form of the quadratic equation, we need to know that what is the value of a, b, and c. We remember the quadratic formula. So coefficient of x square is representing a. So here x square coefficient is 1. So we write a equals to 1. Coefficient of x is 7, and that's representing b. So b equals to 7. And constant term is minus 2. So we write c equals to minus 2. Now we write the quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we place the value of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. We get x equals to minus, we place 7 in the place of b, plus minus seven whole square minus 4. In place of a we place 1, and in place of c we place minus 2. And in denominator it's 2a, so we write 2 into 1 as the value of a is 1. Now we just solve the brackets to get the answer. We'll open the bracket, so it becomes x equals to minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 8 minus minus plus, that's why I'm writing plus 8 upon 2. Now we get minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 8 become 57. Now we try to get the square root of 57. That is not possible because it is not a perfect square. So we take the prime factor of 57 to get what we can be take out from the square root. So 57 3 into 19. So we didn't get any term out from the square root because 3 and 19 are just a single term in the square root. So we cannot solve it further. So that is the solution set of quadratic equation. So we can write SS equals to, because we cannot find the square root of 57, so we can stop the solution here and we can write a solution set as minus 7 plus minus under root 57 over 2. Now we will solve one more question to explain you this, how to solve this by quadratic formula. So now I'm selecting part 7, exercise 1.2, question number 1, part 7, that is 3 over x minus 6 minus 4 over x minus 5 equals to 1. Now we try to solve this question. So I write this question here. Now beta, first of all we have to write the equation in standard form. For this we take the LCM of x minus 6 and x minus 5, and that will be x minus 6. We did this part in chapter 1 as well, so I hope you all remember how to take the LCM and solve this side. Now x minus 6 is cancelled out with x minus 6, so x minus 5 will go and multiply by 3. In the same way, x minus 5 is cancelled out, and then 4 is multiplied by x minus 6 equals to 1. Now we open the brackets, so it will become 3x minus 15 minus 4x plus 24 over x square minus 5x minus 6x plus 30 equals to 1. Now beta, we further simplified the equation, the numerator and denominator. Minus x plus 9, we get this numerator minus x plus 9, and in denominator we get x square minus 11x plus 30 equals to 1. Now we move this denominator to this side. Okay, then now we move this denominator to this side, so we can write minus x plus 9 equals to x square minus 11x plus 30. Now we move all the term of this side to this side to write the equation in standard form. So we can write it like 0 equals to x square minus 11x, and this x will then move to this side, so it will become plus x. Same way, plus 30, and when we move plus 9 to this side, it will become minus 9. Now we get x square minus 10x plus 21. Now we have to solve this equation. we can write this equation as well as like this equation as x square minus 10x. So we write x square minus 10x plus 21 equals to 0. Now you note the value of a, b, and c. Coefficient of x square is a, so a equals to 1. Coefficient of x is b, so b equals to minus 10. And the constant term is c equals to 21. So after getting the equation in standard form, we note the value of a, b, and c. Now we apply the quadratic formula. We write the quadratic formula, then we apply the values in the quadratic formulas. So quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we place the value of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. Minus, in place of b, we get minus 10 plus minus 10 whole square minus 4. In place of a, we place 1. In place of c, we place 21 over now beta, it's x equals to 10 because minus plus minus 10 whole square means 100 minus 4 into 21, it's 84 over 2. Now 100 minus 84 is 16, and we can write x equals to 10 plus minus under root 16 over 2. Now we can further solve it because we can find this 16 is a perfect square and the square root of 16 is 4. So you can write 10 plus minus 4 over 2. Now we break these two terms into two separate equations because we get plus minus. So we can write x equals to 10 plus 4 over 2 and x equals to 10 minus 4 over 2. It becomes 14 over 2. We can write 14 over 2. We cancel out, so it becomes x equals to 7. And this becomes 6 over 2. Cancel out, becomes 3. So the roots of quadratic equation is 7 and 3. So we can write 3 and 7 are the root of quadratic equation. Remember, quadratic equation has two roots. So 7 and 3 are the roots of the गिवन इक्वेशन जो आपने हमने सॉल्व किया उस गिवन इक्वेशन के रूट्स हैं 7 और 3। हमने ये रिमेंबर रखना है कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के 2 रूट्स होते हैं, सही, मींस 2 पॉसिबल आंसर होते हैं, क्योंकि अक्सर एमसीक्यूज में पूछते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैज 2 रूट्स। तो सॉल्यूशन सेट, ये मैंने इसलिए लिख के दिखा दिया ताकि आपको ये बात याद रहे कि जो आंसर निकलते हैं उसको रूट्स कहते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई मैंने ये स्टेटमेंट लिखी है। सो सॉल्यूशन सेट इक्वल्स टू, आपकी मर्जी, आप किसी को भी पहले लिख दें, इट्स नॉट पर के 7 पहले या 3 पहले, 7,3 आप 3,7 में लिख सकते हो। सो रिमेंबर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैज 2 रूट्स, 2 पॉसिबल आंसर होते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस के, और ये अक्सर एमसीक्यूज में आता है। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैज डैश रूट्स, तो आपने रिमेंबर रखना है 2 रूट्स। आई होप कि आप अंडरस्टैंड कर गए होंगे किस तरह आपने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है। सो इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पे देखेंगे। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज।